This is very dramatic. This is intense.
Here's how to come up with viral video ideas.
Your first video is not going to give you
subscribers don't matter. Views don't matter.
YouTuber have 100. So stop.
What is the difference between this?
Okay, hi YouTube. This is going to be just a quick speak test of the HTC One X.
And this.
I've managed to get not 1, not 2, but 11 of the rarest limited edition smartphones on the planet.
The difference is in the visual and audio hooks, which means this video will grab the attention that gets your audience invested in your video. This is how you can create one viral video idea and create multiple hooks that are actionable through editing and gain views and make you a ton of money in the process. To start, you will need to convince people to watch your video even before pressing the play button, which is all done in the title and thumbnail. This is a very important part to creating a good hook to the audience wanting to be entertained, or more so, gain value, which should be the main factor in creating a good hook. Take an example of Mr. Beast's video. I survived 50 hours in Antarctica. Well, Antarctica's average annual temperature ranges from about -10 to a whopping -60 degrees below zero, which is very cold. And he uses his thumbnail to visually explain how impossible it is to survive in the Antarctica, which translates on you clicking the video. However, a good title and thumbnail won't make a viral hit unless it has a good video intro.
We just landed in Antarctica and we're gonna survive the next 50 hours here. We're literally at the bottom of the globe at the coldest place on Earth.
Can't wait to freeze to death.
And there goes the plane! All right, see you later. And now that that plane has left, boys, there's no way out for the next 50 hours. We're stuck.
A good video intro has visual, audio, and summary editing. For visual editing, a good video hook needs to have cuts after every 1 to 4 seconds of your video. However, this does not apply every time, but to keep your retention off the charts, you need to visually engage your viewer. Subtitles also is a retention hack to add on your videos as well. For audio editing, you need to use sound effects for motion, feeling, and also to make actions done on videos realistic, like using the typing sound effect. This may seem like a small thing, but detail enhances engagement. The sounds also need to enhance emotion to the viewer to keep them watching the rest of the entire video. The summary editing is keeping the introduction short, which can be preferably 15 to 30 seconds from the start of the video, and should tell the whole point of why you clicked the video. Otherwise, if the whole point was not to tell the headline of the story first, then you would have done what is called clickbait, which really affects the metrics to your video. Now, you remember when I said that cuts every 1 to 4 seconds is good for a visual hook? Well, the video does not need to be cut fast for you to hook a viewer to watch your video. This works well to videos that portray emotion as their hook instead. Also, do not cut it so fast that it loses the message given to the viewer. In doing so, the viewer does not get to digest the main reason why they clicked your video.
So, before I start this, I already know this is a lose-lose situation. There is no winning, only losing, especially on my end.
The video does not have any rapid cuts whatsoever, but the selling point for the video is his facial expressions. The video was also age restricted by YouTube as a warning message to viewers, which also creates anticipation after also reading the title, ending it all. You do not need to speed up such a video since the aim of the video is to trigger an emotion from you. Otherwise, if you think you can't be able to develop an emotion, then simply don't make the video. However, acts of suicide and feeling of depression is a serious matter. If you or someone you love are in need of help, consider visiting a professional for further assistance. Anyway, viral video hooks are all about the editing and how the audience watching can be able to take in the whole video in the first 30 seconds. However, video hooks can also be extensive. What do I mean by this? Well, a creator can be able to create suspense when starting the video, or when the video is beyond 30 seconds to increase your need to know what happens next.
Headed there immediately to tackle this problem by surprising the delivery men with their brand new, robust, electric-powered e-bikes. But before they do, we have 1,000 more electric e-bikes to give away, so make sure you watch to the end to find out how you can get one.
The hook in the video is how you will be able to stand a chance to get an electric solar bike. And he says that you have to watch till the end of the video to find out, thus increasing your urge to know. That is if you are interested in free giveaways. Video hooks are very essential, and I hope you took out every point laid across this video.